Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to add payment method on your Telegram wallet, how to link your bank to your Telegram wallet. So watch this video to the very end in order to get full details on how to link your bank account to your Telegram wallet. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on the three horizontal lines at the left corner of your screen. Tap on your wallet. So on your wallet, you just have to tap on the P2P market. Tap on my ads. Tap on payment settings. So you can see you have not added any payment method. So you just have to tap on add payment method. Then select any of the payment method of your choice. I'll be tapping on bank transfer. So I have to enter my account name, account number, okay. Then I'm going to enter my bank name, that is my name, my account name. Enter your account name and the bank name. Just give space and enter it. Okay, then you can tap on add payments. So you have to tap on the box, the little box, the small box close to at the right corner below. At the right corner you see the small box there. You just have to tap on it in order to agree that, to confirm that the bank account, card name and payment method is in my name, that's in your name. So just tap on confirm now. So it's automatically, it has been saved. If you want to see it, you just have to go back. Then you can tap on payment method. You can see that it has been added to my payment method. So guys, that is it on how to add payment method or bank account to your Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Do well to give this video a thumbs up. It will help this video very well. Thanks for watching.